Okay, now do this problem by using Heron's formula. Okay, page number 183. Do this is there. Once you check in textbook, page number 183. Do this. Two problems is there. That means two bits. This is second bit. First do the second bit. This is easy for doing. After you can do first bit. So first second bit. What? Find the area of the triangle formed by the points. 0, 0, 4, 0, 4, 3 by using Heron's formula. So here particularly mentioned find the area of the triangle. How to find here? Two ways is there. Okay, by using Heron's formula. So Heron's formula you can apply only Heron's formula. You can apply. That is given points are 0, 0. 0, 0 means that is the origin. So here 0, 0. That is O. You can apply 0, 0. Okay, point is O. Next one 0, 0. Second point is 4, 0. So here A 4, 0. Next third point 4, 3. That is suppose here B point 4, 3. This is the triangle. Okay, triangle is OAB. Okay, now you can find the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. First, what is given? We write that one. Solution. Given vertices of a triangle A. First one we have take O. So you can write O. It means origin 0, 0. Second one A. That is 4, 0. Next, third one that is B, 4, 3. So these are the given three vertices. Given vertices of a triangle. Given vertices of a triangle 0, 0, 4, 0, 4, 3. Okay. Here you mention already diagonal. Okay. Now by using what we find area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. Heron's formula already you know that. Heron's formula what? Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here a, b, c are the sides of a triangle. Here sides not there, not given. So you find first sides. Okay, here given only vertices are given. So first you find sides. Sides what? A, B, C. That means three sides you can find. First side A, second side B, third side C. Next S means what? Here S equal what? A plus B plus C by 2. In formula already you can write S equal A plus B plus C by 2. That is half of the perimeter S. So here capital A opposite you write small a, capital B opposite you write small b. Here opposite to origin to opposite small c. Here the A, B, C are the three sides. Okay, here sides not given here. Length of the sides not given. So you first find sides of how to find here A and B and origin. Three vertices are given. First A side is to find out. How to find distance between O to B. First you find distance between O to B. Okay, here formula is there. How to find distance? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can use this formula to find three sides. After three sides you can find substitute these values here formula Heron's formula here and also find S value also A plus B plus C by 2. Next S value and A B C values are you substitute Heron's formula. So first you find three sides. Okay. Here A B C. Let A B C are the three sides of triangle OAB. Okay. ABC are the three sides of triangle ABC. Is then OA here what A means A equal to OB and B equal to small b equal to here small b equal to OA and the last one C equal to here AB. So find these three sides. First you find A. So A means what you find? origin and B. 2 points are taken. Origin means here. Origin 0, 0 and B. B what? Given point B 4, 3 are the given points to find A. First you write formula. A x1 y1, B and B x2 y2 are the 2 points. Then the distance of AB. Then the distance of AB equal to formula what you write here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find the distance between any 2 points. Here first point 0, second point B. Now substitute that. Here A means here first point origin 0, 0 and the second point here B. What is here given B 4, 3. These are the 2 points. Are the 2 points. Here 2 points are 0, that means origin and B. These are the vertices of a triangle. So are the vertices. Then the distance of not length, anyone, distance or length. Then the distance of AB or the length of the AB not here, AB means OB. OB means is origin and B, the vertex. Now substitute this formula. Here x1, y1, second one x2, y2. First x2 minus x1. X2 means what? Here 4 minus x1. X1 means 0 whole square plus y2. Y2 means here 3 minus y1 0 whole square. Now simplification. That is equal to square root of 4 minus 0 we get 4 square plus second term 3 minus 0 3 square. Now simplification you get to 4 square means 16 plus 3 square means 9. 16 plus 9 25. That is equal to 5. OB value how much you get? 5 units. Same one we find A equal to OB. Okay, now OB is that means OB means A. Next we find B. Okay, how to find B? Here take 2 points origin and A. Here origin 0, 0 and A means how much here? 4, 0. Now apply this formula. Already here you write formula. So directly you write here 0 and 0 and 4, 0. This is A point. So OA distance are the vertices. Then distance or length, anyone you write. Then the length of OA. Then the length of OA. OA means how much here? OA means B. Here OB means A. So here write A. OA means B. Now substitute this formula. First one x1 y1, first vertex. Second vertex x2 y2. Here formula already write. Distance or length formula. Substitute x2. x2 means here what? 4 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 means here 0 minus y1. y1 also 0. So 0 minus 0 whole square. Now simplification. That is equal to square root of 4 minus 0. First term you get 4. 4 square. So 4 square. Plus second term 0 minus 0 you get 0 square. So now simplification. You get 4 square means 16 plus 0. That is equal to root 16. Root 16 means 4 value. So B, that is equal to OA. B equal to 4 units you get. Already A 5 units, B 4 units. Now third side. Third side what you take? Third side is C. That is equal to, that is AB. That is the length of the ABC. A means how much here? 4, 0 and B 4, 3. That is B are the vertices. Then the length of AB. AB means here, AB means C. So then the length of the AB equal to C equal to. Now substitute that formula. Already you know that formula, already you write distance formula. So now substitute that. First point x1 by 1, This is x1, y1. Second point x2, y2. So now substitute that. Here formula x2 minus x1. x2 here what? 4 minus x1. 4 also. x2 also 4. x1 also 4. 4 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 what? Here 3. 3 minus y1 value 0. So 3 minus 0 whole square. Now simplification. That is equal to square root of 4 minus 4 0 square plus 3 minus 0 3 square. Now simplification 0 square means 0 plus 3 square means 9. That is equal to root of 9. That value is 3. Is the 3, C value is 3. So already A value got, B value also got, and finally C value also got. Now by using Heron's formula, here you write Heron's formula. For the area of the triangle equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Already A, B, C values we get. Here only S we got 1. So here S equal to square root of, here S equal to, S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A value, here first we get A value 5 plus B value. B value are here, you got already B value 4. So 4 plus C value 3 by 2. Now adding numerator 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 by 2. 2 tables 6 times divisible. So S value you get 6 units. Now substitute that formula. Therefore area of the triangle ABC equal to square root of, here S means how much we get? 6 into S minus A. 6 minus A. A means here you write already 5. You get already A equal to 5. So S minus A. And second term or first third term what? S minus B. S minus B. S means 6 minus B. B already you get 4. So 6 minus 4. And last term S minus 6. S means 6 minus C. C means 3. Now simplification. That is equal to square root of first term 6 as second term 6 minus 5. You get 1. Third term 6 minus 4 into 6 minus 4 means 2 into 6 minus 3 into, that is equal to 3. These are the multiplications. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus. So first term into second term into third term into fourth term. Multiply 4 terms here 6 into 1 into 2 into 3. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 3 is 36. So you write root 36. Root 36 means you get 6 root. Okay. Area of the triangle is how much you get? 6 units. So you write therefore required area of the triangle is 6 units. 6 square units. Area means you write square units. Square units. Now here, find the area of the triangle formed by the 3 vertices are given by using Heron's formula. So Heron's formula, what you get first? Heron's formula means you want 3 sides. You are not given 3 sides. So first you find 3 sides. How to find these 3 sides? By using distance formula. First side you find how to find here A equal to how to write here origin to B. Here A, here B, C. Okay, opposite sides. You have to be opposite small b. You have A opposite small a. Here origin opposite you can take C. Yeah, any matter you can take. So these are the three sides. Length of the sides must you find. After this, you substitute these three sides and S value also substitute Aaron's formula. Simplify, you get the area of the triangle. Okay, this model, so many problems is there. This is the second bit. After this one, first bit, next you can do it.